Hello everyone! Have you ever wondered how electromagnetic devices like doorbells, valves, or even a car starter work? Well, solenoids play a crucial role in these devices. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of solenoids. Let us explore what they are, how they work, and see a cool demonstration. To begin with, let us talk about the basics of electromagnetism. When an electric current flows through a straight wire, it creates a magnetic field that circles around the wire. This is a fundamental principle of electromagnetism which is discovered by scientist Oersted in 1820. Next up, what exactly is a solenoid? The term solenoid specifically refers to a cylindrical coil that produces a uniform magnetic field in its interior when current passes through it. While electricity flows through a helical loop, it creates a magnetic field with a unique pattern. We can observe that the magnetic field lines inside a solenoid is strong and uniform, running parallel to the axis of the coil. Outside the solenoid, the field is much weaker and spreads out. This magnetic field can then be used to create motion or to exert force on a magnetic object. Let us find out how. Inside the coil, there is usually a movable core made of ferromagnetic material like iron. This core is called the plunger. The magnetic field generated by the coil attracts the plunger, causing it to move. It can be used to perform mechanical work. This movement is incredibly versatile and are used in many everyday applications. Let us see where and how they are used. Solenoids are used in starter motors to engage the engine's flywheel. In consumer electronics, washing machines use solenoids to control water valves. In an electronic door lock, the solenoid moves a bolt to lock or unlock the door. Solenoids also have critical applications in the medical field, such as powerful solenoid generates the magnetic fields necessary for MRI imaging. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents. Let us know in the comment section what other topics you would like to cover. Thanks for watching and see you next time.